of the formation there with white smoke is one of our first-year pilots, Red 4, Flight Lieutenant James McMillan. McZ was born in the UK but moved to New Zealand at the age of 10 and eventually joined the Royal New Zealand Air Force. He transferred to the Royal Air Force in 2002 and became a Hawk flying instructor and Harrier. Frankie's another former Hawk flying instructor and Harrier GR9 pilot, and it's his third year with the Red Arrows. These guys are now descending down to 100 feet above the sea. They're closing at 850 miles an hour to perform the Synchro Pass.
Watch these two coming now.
Here he comes.
Pilots perform tight, matched barrel rolls to the outside of the formation in the rollbacks. And as the colour comes on, they fly the Revolution. As Enid complete, they're synchronised in the carousel. Back in battle formation with some more red, white and blue, this is the Python. And this one's definitely a good one to wave to the guys, boys and girls, so get those arms waving. See the smoke turns white there. We produce that smoke by injecting regular diesel fuel into the aircraft's 400-degree engine exhaust, which causes it to We are the Royal Air Force Aerobatic Team, the Red Arrows.